Hi friends, it's Miss O'Brien. This little video is just to kind of go over some of the things about Google Drawing that I introduced to you today. But this is your way to be able to watch it over and over again in case you didn't get it the first time. So you can use that power of pause. This is Google Drawings. So it is free. It comes with your Google account. And the way you get to it is you can either use the link that I put on Ms. Collins' Google Classroom, or if you just go to your browser and you type in Google Drawings, D-R-A-W-I-N-G-S, and press enter, Google will search for it, and then you can click on the link and take you to Google Drawings. When you first go to Google Drawings, this is your canvas. They give you a blank canvas that you can put anything you want on it. The first thing I always do is I give my drawing a title. So this is going to be my book snap. You'll notice that a lot of the options in Google Drawings are the same as what you've already seen in Google Slides. We've got our insert menu, and we can insert images and text box and shapes. Word art is kind of cool. That might be a new thing. I don't think Google Slides has that. But image and text box and shapes are exactly the same as what we did in Google Slides. So for Google Image, you still have the option to search for a picture, or you can take a picture by using the camera on your Chromebook. So those are options. The word art is kind of like a text box, but it just makes your pictures a little fancy. So if I choose word art, I'll just show you an example. We're going to type in the name of the book that I am doing my book snap on. Oops. Page 8. So I type it in, I press enter, and you see it kind of makes it in bubble letters, which is kind of cool. I can still change my bubble letters to other kinds of font, and I can change the color of the inside like that, and I can change the color of the outside like that, and I can even change how thick I want the border to be like that. So you have lots of options that you can play with there. Okay, so some other options are this little line tool. So you can draw lines and arrows towards places. That's kind of cool. There's your text box, like we've already talked about before. I can type in things here. If I type something in there and I want to delete it, I can click it, and I can either right click and choose. Ooh, where's my delete? Hang on. Let's try that again. Right click and cut, to take it off, or you can use the delete button on your keyboard if you have a delete button on your keyboard. So those are some options there. One more thing I want to show you is the insert image for searching for the web. So you're going to use this a lot if you want to put emojis or different cool little pictures into your book snap. So I went to image, search the web, and this little search box opens on the side, and it says I can search for Google Images. So I want to search for some emojis. I like emojis. So when I do that, as you can see, I have lots of emojis that I can choose from. And so let's say I want to put this little laugh till I'm crying. Oh, I like the happy face. We'll do the happy face. I can just click an image, and it puts a check mark on it. And I come down here to the insert button, this blue bar at the bottom, insert. And my picture pops in, and I can resize it and move it wherever I like. And that is pretty much Google Drawings. So have fun making your book snaps today.